Have you ever wished you could bring a character to life? Well, today that's what we're going to do. Grab your pencils and paper because we're going to draw a beautiful girl in a flowing dress holding a magical scarf. All right, little artists, let's start this adventure. I was inspired by a mysterious old picture of a girl with a scarf that looked like it was dancing. So today we're not just drawing, we're bringing a character from the past into our world with pencils and imagination. Our pencil sketch is done! Now grab a black marker and carefully trace over all your pencil lines. This is what makes the drawing really pop. You are doing such an amazing job. Girl, brought to life with our own creativity. You took a piece of paper and turned it into something truly magical. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!